Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to set up GoCardless. First, navigate to the GoCardless website and click Sign Up to begin your account creation process. You'll need to input your essential business details, such as your legal name, registered address, and primary contact information. After submitting these, check your email for a verification link to confirm your address. Finally, specify your business type and enter any required registration numbers to complete this initial step. This ensures your account is properly linked to your business. Next, it's time to connect your business bank account, which is crucial for processing all your payments. You'll need to provide your bank's name, your account number, and the sort code. Rest assured, GoCardless employs secure, encrypted connections to safeguard all your sensitive financial information. To finalize this step, you might undergo a bank verification process, often involving a small test deposit to confirm ownership. This ensures a smooth and secure flow of funds for your transactions. Now, let's talk about integrating GoCardless with your existing business systems. You can connect it with popular accounting software or CRM platforms using readily available plugins or by following the detailed API documentation. This allows for seamless data flow and automation. Don't forget to configure your payment pages and customize customer notification settings to match your brand. Always perform thorough testing of the integration to ensure everything functions perfectly before going live. Finally, it's time to activate your GoCardless account and begin collecting payments. Once live, regularly monitor your GoCardless dashboard to keep track of payment statuses and customer activity. You have the flexibility to set up recurring payments for subscriptions or manage one-off direct debits as your business requires. Make sure to utilize the robust reporting tools available to track your financial performance and simplify account reconciliation. This comprehensive approach helps you efficiently manage all your direct debit collections.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.